How to buy Zorb token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 16 hours ago and increased by 37,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 1 in the base section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you do is just click to copy the token address and open a Bitget wallet. For that, now as you can see, first of all, just log into your wallet to be able to buy this token. So once you do after that, from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token as sent to search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find it. If you don't want to search, just click on the search icon and type it in the search bar. As you can see, Zorb like that. So after you find it, what you do, just click on it, and now here click on swap, switch from here, and as you can see from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy it. For example, is ET, and now here you can type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. So as you can now correspond liquidity pool, please select a different token. So I will just change the amount $100 if I won't be able, so it's not getting anything. So what you need to do, you can now go to Uniswap like that. So just go to Uniswap. So type Uniswap. Now make sure to enter the Uniswap official website. So as you can see, now just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now what you need to do after that, you can now connect your wallet to be able to buy this token. So first of all, what you do, just click here on connect and now select other wallets. Now select your wallet, for example, Bitget wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, just go back to the token page. As you can see on the screener, this is it. Now click here to copy the token address. Now go back to Uniswap and click here and make sure to select the base network from here, and now you can paste this token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also, you can click on it and now click don't show me and click on continue. As you can see, this is our token. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy it, for example, 33 USD, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive here. You will be able to see it. Now after that, what you need to do, you can click here on swap. So after that, pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So because I don't have any fund, I can be able to see here how much I will receive. Now after that, you can buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Zorb token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.